Is your washer leaking, cracking hoses, or losing water pressure during fills? This is the F200164 water inlet hose, 3/4 inch by 60 inches GHT, a commercial grade fill hose built for hot and cold water lines. It compares to part numbers 22300, 27000, F730C489, F7300512, F7300515, and F730523, making it an easy, direct replacement. Manufactured by Goodyear Continental, this hose is engineered for durability, flexibility, and consistent water flow under heavy daily use. Ideal for laundromats, multi-housing properties, and on-premise laundry operations. Order the F200164 today from lowlaundry.com, your trusted source for commercial laundry parts.